Hi guys, welcome to Drama Fight competition where we ask you some tough, some interesting questions, but of course on cricket. It's the IPL season now and that's what we're going to be basing all our questions on. So if you think you know everything about the IPL, do take part in our competitions and get a chance to win some really exciting, really cool gifts. All you need to do is just follow Drama Cafe on Facebook and Instagram and take part in our weekly competitions. And joining me today is one such fan. His name is Etizaz. Hi Etizaz.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm very good, thanks. Thank you.
I see you almost every day coming to Drama Cafe. You must be a really huge fan of the cafe.
Well, about Drama Cafe, it's been like 4 years since I've been coming to this cafe almost every day. It's like a kind of place I love to sit after work. So there's a lot.
What do you like about Drama Cafe the most? Do you like the vibe, the shisha, the food, the ambience? What brings you here every day?
Well, the first thing I would say, the best thing about Drama Cafe is the shisha. Yeah, I do not see like anyone else in the town serving this kind of shisha.
I agree.
And the second thing, they've made a lot of improvements in the food over the last 6 months. I mean, the quality of food is really nice. It's really good, and the ambience, of course, it's not too reflecting. It's not too bright. So I actually love to sit here. And
It's a combination of all good things. The shisha is good, the ambience, the vibe, the staff is super friendly. So I have to agree with you. Now, Etizaz, we've heard that you're a die-hard cricket fan. Is that right?
you can say, almost.
And a little birdie also told us that you used to play cricket.
Actually, I used to play cricket 7 to 10 years ago, almost. I used to play cricket very professionally. Yeah.
What is very professionally? Did you play for a club? Did you play for a country?
I played for one of the best clubs in my city, and I've played with some of the international players as well. I have the privilege to bowl international players of Pakistan cricket team.
Oh wow, that is really nice. And you were a bowler, I'm assuming.
I was a bowler. I was a
Fast.
fast bowler. Yeah.
They say Pakistan has like a factory of fast bowlers.
That's actually true, and I feel like we should also have
A factory of batsmen, perhaps.
of batsmen as well. Like that's where we are lacking ever since I've started watching this cricket. Ever since we are grown up, in early childhood we used to play. We used to see our batsmen playing very well, but not lately. Not lately.
No, it's a sad story when it comes to batsmen from Pakistan. But let's see. Hopefully, Babar Azam can change that.
I really hope for that. I hope he plays for like another 15-20 years because he's still too young, and his average is actually very good, and he's doing it very fast. I mean, he's scored more runs than any other batsman in the cricket history so far, as per the matches he's played. So
I'm also a really big Babar Azam fan. But today we're discussing the IPL because this campaign that I just introduced, a drama fight, it's around the IPL. So do you follow the IPL?
I wasn't following IPL in the last few years, but in the early years I followed like for a few seasons. But this season definitely I have no other choice except following it because
And which team in particular are you rooting for?
well, I'm supporting Mumbai Indians.
Any specific reason behind that?
I've got a lot of friends from Mumbai, so that's one of the reasons. Yeah, they support it, so I watch with it, a lot of times with them. So like this is one of the reasons.
I thought like me you were going to say I'm supporting Mumbai Indians because of Rohit Sharma, because I'm a really huge Rohit Sharma fan and I am purely supporting that team because of Rohit Sharma and Kieron Pollard.
If it was because of any individual player, I would have said Mahendra Singh Dhoni or AB de Villiers.
Okay, so this segment is a competition. We're supposed to be asking you some tough questions. Are you ready for those?
Well, depends on the questions.
So we posted this question on our social media platforms earlier this week, and it is on a player whose fan I am. He's from Afghanistan. He's got a lot of records under his belt. Quite young, extremely promising. You see him playing international leagues all across the world. Do you have any idea who I may be talking about?
Rashid Khan.
And the question was, when did Rashid Khan make his debut for Sunrisers Hyderabad, the team that he's currently playing in the IPL for?
I think 2015. Am I close?
You're very close.
Maybe 16. Yeah.
I'm gonna give it to you. Are you a Rashid Khan fan though?
I like his bowling actually. I like his bowling. He's a good bowler. amazing.
No doubts, he's number one T20 bowler currently, and he's supremely talented. And can I ask you any other cricket-related questions?
Yeah, go ahead.
There was a record that Rohit Sharma made in the game last night. I'm not sure if you watched the game, but do you have any idea what that record may be? Something to do with sixes.
Unfortunately, I couldn't watch the last night's game because I was actually playing cricket last night.
I have to give that point to you also. Rohit Sharma yesterday scored 200 sixes in the IPL. Wow, I know.
Wow, that's actually amazing. I think he's the first person to hit 200.
No, he's not the first person, but he's now part of that elite club that has quite a few big names.
Yeah, he's a good batsman, no doubt in that.
And so I think I will give it to you. I'm convinced that you're a diehard cricket fan. You missed the game because you were playing cricket. So congratulations.
Thank you so much.
What are you expecting to win? We've got bats, we've got kits, we've got a cash prize, and what else? Do we have team merchandise? Do you have your eyes on anything specific?
I'm eyeing on the bat. Yeah, I'm eyeing on the bat.
So we will give the bat to you. It was really nice talking to you. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for inviting me for this talk, and thanks.
Pleasure.